3, 2, 1.
What simple type of camera uses a hole in a screen to create a simply viewed image of the sun? The answer is D. Camera obscura. Which author wrote First Folio? The answer is D. William Shakespeare. What is a type of vegetable that is often used in Indian curries and can be purple, green, or yellow? The answer is D. Cauliflower. Which Hindu deity is associated with destruction and rebirth? The answer is C. Shiva. What follows summer but has no feet? The answer is A. Autumn. Which tennis Grand Slam tournament takes place at the All England Club in London? The answer is A. Wimbledon. Which author wrote Paradiso? The answer is A. Dante Alighieri. What color is the brittle metalloid tellurium? The answer is A. Silvery white. What is the world's largest social media platform by number of users? The answer is A. Twitter. What does the German word Bibliothek mean when translated into English? The answer is D. Library. Scientists will often observe and then what the reason why a phenomenon occurred. The answer is A. Hypothesize. Which structure is known as the Taj Mahal of the South? The answer is B. Lotus Temple. Beryllium hydride consists of a central beryllium atom with two single bonds to what? The answer is C. Hydrogen atoms. Which is most helpful to a constipated elephant? The answer is C. Oats. Which language uses AE, O stroke, and A ring in its alphabet? The answer is A. Norwegian. With logistic growth, how does population growth start out? The answer is A. Slowly. Who is the author of The Catcher in the Rye? The answer is C. J.D. Salinger. What is Odysseus known for in Greek mythology? The answer is C. Building the Parthenon. What is the largest city in the People's Republic of China? The answer is C. Shanghai. Lou Weiss, who rose to become chairman of the board of the William Morris Agency, is the nephew of which legendary comedian? The answer is C. George Burns. Which of these dishes would you most expect to find in Afghanistan? The answer is A. Kabuli Pilau. Who holds the world record for most tattoos in 24 hours? The answer is B. Scott Young. Which animal lays eggs that are called ping pong balls? The answer is A. Platypus. What does the component R in an electronic circuit usually represent? The answer is A. Resistor. Which animal can rotate its eyes in their sockets? The answer is B. Chameleon. What do we call something that pushes or pulls on an object? The answer is D. Force. Clark Gable was in the Army Air Corps during World War II. Who signed his discharge papers? The answer is C. Ronald Reagan. As they are immobile, what is an example of how animal life helps the reproduction cycle of plants? The answer is A. Squirrels dropping seeds. The Mariana Trench, the deepest part of the world's oceans, is located in which ocean? The answer is A. Pacific. In humans, the sperm cell is the only cell with what structure that enables motility? The answer is D. Flagella. The stem of a horsetail is characterized by the presence of joints, or nodes, hence the name Arthrophyta, which means this. The answer is C. Jointed plant. The Mississippi River merges with which ocean? The answer is A. Atlantic. In an episode of the Full House series, when Jesse, Joey, and Stephanie caught the chicken pox, who stayed home to look after Michelle so she wouldn't get it? The answer is B. DJ. Which author wrote Letters from My Windmill? The answer is A. Alphonse Daudet. What is a baby bear called? The answer is A. Cub. What is the study of the physical world and its laws called? The answer is C. Physics. What is the process in which cells make proteins called? The answer is C. Protein synthesis. What was the name of Alex Guardian in the novel Archangel? The answer is B. Jack Starbright. Which is the largest country by land area? The answer is B, Russia. What are changes in makeup and chemical properties of matter called? The answer is C, chemical changes. Which piece is often used for dining? The answer is A, table. What's always going up but never arrives? The answer is B, cloud. What was the U.S. state of Alabama named after? The answer is A, Atride. Sodium is an example of what sort of thing that cannot exist by itself in nature? The answer is C, element. Which political ideology promotes minimal government intervention in the economy? The answer is D, libertarianism. The art of protecting flat surfaces from the weather and exposing them to the critic is satirist Ambrose Bierce's definition for which of these activities? The answer is C, painting. On the Brady Bunch, Jan was thought to have developed an allergy to which character? The answer is A, tiger. Most animals are in which clade? The answer is A, bilateria. In 2001, Oscar-winning actress Whoopi Goldberg starred in Rat Race, the first movie that featured two Oscar-winning African Americans. Who is the other award-winning actor? The answer is A, Cuba Gooding, Jr. In what year did Walter Cronkite take over the CBS Evening News?